Welcome kindergarten to video number 4 for sight words. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if you have access to a printer and would like to print out the worksheet, the file is there for you to download and print out. If you just want to follow along on the video with me, that's great as well. So let's go ahead. All right, let's count how many letters are in our word for today. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome job. How many tall letters do we have? 2. And what are they? H and L. Good job. How many small letters do we have today? 1. And what letter is it? E. Good job. And how many basement letters do we have? 1. And what letter? P. Awesome job. So we have H-E-L-P. This word is help. We're going to swipe read it. So if you have your worksheet, go ahead and put your finger underneath your H. If you're on your computer or iPad or phone, you can point to the letter H. And on the count of 3, we're going to swipe read. Ready? 1, 2, 3, help. Good. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, help. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and get those pencils out, or if you're going to skywrite, put your finger in the air. Let's write the word help. Here we go. H E L P. Awesome job. Swap out your pencil for a yellow crayon. If you're working on your worksheet, if you're following along with me, get your clapping hands ready. We're going to clap to see how many syllables are in the word help. Let's do it together. Ready? Help. One more time. Help. How many times did we clap when we said the word help? Point to the bubble on your screen or start coloring in the bubble at home. Good, we clapped once, so we're going to color in the one bubble. Awesome job. And today I'm going to color in help with, let's see here, let's use red and color it in with me. Let's say it together. H E L P. Awesome job. If you're following along with me, give me a thumbs up so I know that you're ready to move on. Alrighty, you need to swap out your crayon for your pencil again. And if you're following along with the video, you can put your finger in the air to skywrite. Let's trace the word help. H E L P. Good job. And moving on to the spell it box. How many tall boxes do we have? 2. So think about what letters go here. How many small boxes? Just 1. So what letter are you going to put here? Think about it. And we have 1 basement box, so think about what you're going to put here. Let's spell the word help together. H E L P. Great job. Alrighty, and down here, let's find help 3 times. You can circle on your worksheet at home, or if you're on your iPad or your computer, you can point or, pretend to circle the word. I'll give you some time. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and circle on my screen. Help, help, help. And lastly, let's say the word. You can turn to mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, your brother and sister. You can say it to me. On the count of 3, here we go. 1, 2, 3, help. Good job. Check mark in the box or check mark in the air if you're following along on the video. Great work. Again, this word is H-E-L-P, help. Okay, this is our last sight word video for this week. I went ahead and added something new on the Google Classroom. So after you have watched all of the sight word videos, there's a little like pool, a little question that'll ask you to try using one of your sight words in a sentence. I just want you to go ahead and try to type out a sentence using a sight word, okay? I will see you guys next week. Other than that, once you have that done, you'll be good to go. So I'll see you next week. Enjoy your weekend.